Beautiful morning, guys. It is Tuesday. Let's get a push day started. Guys, I'm sure you guys seen this, right? I brought my PS4 controller, and you guys know that the memes or they do. They press it and then you know what I mean. How dirty this controller is. Finished refilling, guys. $40 for a full tank of this junk. Alright, now time to hit push day. Hey buddy. Good beautiful afternoon, guys. We are here in the rally yard, and I spotted a very clean Evo. I'm gonna show you guys in a second if I can get over. Of course, music plays in the background. I'm about to get copyrighted. Peep this car out. Ooh. Boom. You got here an Evo, guys. Nice rims, bro. This is the rims I want, the BBS's. Evo XO. Look, Evo. Hugs and kisses. Nice. Look at this. Look at this, John. And look, we got CTS right here. Dope car, y'all. The bag's the most aggressive part, bro. Nice. Oh, is that MR2? Nice. Alright, guys, we're about to go. I gotta go because I need to go buy an energy drink. Oh, look at the rear view mirror. Just lurking there. Just a clean car, bro. Like, look at it. Ooh. Alright, let's go. Or we get an accident. Oh, look at this Camaro. I mean, not Camaro. Did I really say Camaro? Carrera, I meant to say. Lights about to turn green. Guys, look at that car. Look at them rims. But like, look at these rims, guys. Look at this jump. Blah. I mean, that's kind of like, but like, man, look at the big old wheels. All right, you made it, guys. No idea why I'm listening to this song. That was my dad for a second. Jeff said Odyssey right there. Alright. See you when I come back, I guess. Alright, well, whatever. That was gay. And dang, look at them wheels though. Alright, guys, so yeah, we gotta go get a drink real quick. I'll see you guys in a little bit. You know, it's lunchtime, so I gotta get a little drink going on. We had like a huge storm coming. Like, we had one. And now there's coming another one, so great. See you guys once I come back, I guess, from getting the drink. Yes, of course, like every time I just go in for one thing and they come up with 10 other things. Guys, we got here the rally yard, you can hear the wind. It's super windy. We're about to go, guys. Let's go. Oh, I wanted to do this. I'm gonna post it on my Snapchat. You guys seen you guys seen those memes? Or I mean, not memes, but like the video of the guy in the Lamborghini who had a what do you have, an Xbox, I think? Xbox controller? I'm not sure which controller he had, but he had one. And then he was like accelerated, and you guys know what I mean. So guess what I got here? Blah. I have my PS4 controller. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to go behind. Yo, saw that? I took my notes out. Alright, we're gonna go behind this building, and then we're gonna do the rev thing the guy did with the Lamborghini. I've seen other people also do it. I don't think I've seen it in an Evo or in a rally art yet. So I might be the first rally art out there who's gonna do it. Alright, let's get it. Alright guys, so we're kinda in a secluded area. So why not just do it right here? Which we're about to do. It says the second I say that car comes by. Since I don't even know how they did it, I'm just gonna put my phone, I mean my my iPhone right here, and then like record it like me like pressing the button. Nice. Alright guys. I don't know how good that looked, but if you guys want to check it out on my Snapchat. We're gonna put it up there. So guys, let's go.